Hello and welcome to this MyFloor training video. My name is Sasha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Danger in the Jungle game. First you need to log into your MyFloor like I did here. Then go to My Games. To add a new game, press this plus sign in the corner. Now you see all the different game templates where you can make your content in. In this case, we're going to make a Danger in the Jungle game, so I press the Danger in the Jungle icon. Under each game, you find a description on how the game works. Danger in the Jungle is a game where you need to build a bridge, board by answering questions in different categories. You need to make at least one category of question in order to play the game. The maximum amount of category is 5. To add a new question, press this plus sign in the corner. Under each question, you need to add a category. A question can contain an image, a sound, or a text. And the answer can contain an image or a text. In the bottom of this dialog box, you see a preview of your game. I prepared a math game, and my first category is going to be calculation. And I'm going to type in x plus 4 minus 12 equals 2. And in the answers, I'm going to write x equals 9, x equals 10, x equals 11. Now you see the preview. I think it looks kind of boring. I can style my answer by making the text larger, like that, and I can change the font, like that. And I'll do the same with my answers. Changing the size and the font. Before I press the send button, I need to switch on the right answer. So in this case, x plus 4 minus 12 equals 2. This answer would be the right one, right? When I'm satisfied, I click the send button. And now you see the preview of my first category and my first question. To add a new category and a new question, I press the plus sign again. Now I can choose calculation if I'd like to add a question to my calculation category. I could also add a new category. My second category is geometric figures. In this category, my question contains an image. So I press the image button in order to add an image. I found an image with different geometrical shapes. So I'm just going to add this image. I only want to choose one figure, so I need to crop my image. I do this by dragging the sides in and the bottom and the top. When I'm satisfied, I click the send button. And now you see my question. My answers I'm going to write hexagon, pentagon, and square. I also want to make my text larger. And I also want to change the font. Like that. Before I press send, I switch on the right answer. When I'm satisfied, I click the send button. You can add as many questions as you like. When you're satisfied with your game and you want to make it public, you need to change the title, the description, and the icon. You do that by clicking this pencil. I made another video explaining how to make these changes. You'll find that in our video list. When you have changed the title, the description and the icon and made your game public, you can also change the game settings. You do that by clicking this icon. The default skin is the Danger in the Jungle skin. You can also change the skin and making it the Swamp skin. Now your game is going to look like this. We add skins all the time, so maybe you have a lot of skins to choose from. You can also change the game settings. Right now the game is set up to be a race. That means that both teams get questions in order to quickly answer them and get to the goal. If you click here, you change the game settings from a race to taking turns. Taking turns means that the team has to wait for each other. Only one team can answer a question in order to build the bridge. I will choose the race. When I'm satisfied, I click the Submit button. I hope you can use this video on how to make a Danger in the Jungle game.